Hello, my miniature smoothies! Today, we are doing Hiccup X Dragon Breeder Listener 2. This is the second part. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if I am ever able to post again, I will try to keep my best. Make sure to give me some recommendations. With that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and set to notifications all. With that, enjoy! As you were flying through the sky, your deadly night fury perked up at you at something. I'm giving your dragon a name. It is gonna be Midnight, because I love that name so much. Anyways, what is it, Midnight? Yeah, it's about the dragon rider. He's just interesting, to say the least. I would have to meet him in private, but I will meet him again someday. Time skip to 5 years later. This is with Hiccup. Alright, Toothless. How have things been with... scratch that. Alright, Toothless. Time to go back to that campsite we found with that dragon girl. Ugh. Cannot mention her. Once they got to the campsite, they saw you and Midnight. That was you guys singing. Whoa, she's good. Anyways. Hey. I'm going to control you guys a little bit. Oh, hello. I believe we met before? Yeah, we have. You guys have control again. Anyways, who are you? You say your name again. Interesting name. My name is Hiccup. And your dragon? Midnight? What is she? A deadly night fury and a deadly night fury? What the heck is a deadly night fury? A deadly nutter and okay, that makes sense, but still. Listen, I want to get to know you more, but you just seem like a mystery. That's the point? Okay, that's interesting. Well, do you think I'll... Wait. You hand him a scroll. You hop onto Midnight's back and fly off. With the rest of the stuff from your campsite. He reads the top of it. Do not read till you get home. Okay. Once Hiccup got home, Hiccup's POV. This is interesting. He went into his room with Toothless, and Toothless cuddled up like a dog would, going to sleep in a bed. Anyways, as everyone, you are going to hear my brother's voice.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucas.
No, don't listen to him, Lucas. Anyways, everyone.
I'm sorry guys, I was just being weird. Sorry a lot. This is my sister. She likes 2D men on screen.
Shut
so I can't
up!
really talk to her.
Shut up! I hate you so much. I'm gonna edit that out. Then say it normally.
Okay, hello guys. I am Melody's brother. And today we'll be listening to whatever Melody's posting today. Okay, see you guys. I'm playing Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, not sponsored. Goodbye.
Yep. As he said, this is not sponsored.
Buy anything.
I have to edit this.
Fuck off and have a good day.
Okay. Anyways, continuing. I'm gonna edit some of it out. Okay, fine. Fine. Go. Anyways, continuing. Hiccup sits at his desk and opens the scroll. Dear Hiccup, I am your name, and this is my letter to you. I've been breeding dragons for about 2 years now. Well, 7 years if you count the 5 years that have passed. But recently, I have been struggling with getting dragon materials and dragon DNA. If you could be a dear, help me gather some. Come back to my old campsite. This is interesting, Hiccup thought to himself. Well, I guess I see no reason to not believe her. A few days later, it had been a few days since you have given Hiccup that scroll. And you decided to head back to your campsite. Hiccup was already there. Ah, glad to see you're here. Well, he hands you the dragon DNA. Here it is. You thank Hiccup, and you set up your alchemist set. And a few hours later, you create a new dragon egg.
Fucking story.
After creating the dragon egg, alright, this is up to you guys, but you may, create the 2 dragons that you want to mix together. Anyway. Whoa, that looks amazing. Anywho. I guess we can... I guess I can leave now. You grab Hiccup by the collar and give him a slight kiss on the cheek. Okay, I was not expecting that.
I'm having a seizure.
Alright, everyone, this is going to be discontinued. I am very sorry, but I don't know when I'm going to have my phone again. So, yeah. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on all. With that being said, bye-bye!